Kabaro kete mana kanyo echigo mag siasa Kweth josiasa maketo sirkal tesre korodoro mondo mi duol maketo nyong'ong'e tije obila IPOA ochak timo nonro ewi obila ma osebedo katiyo gi teko mathoth kendo rakore kodgi. Jotelo kotane kod jatend duond bura mar DAPK Eugene Wamalwa nochopo e apise IPOA kendo tero neno margi kamoting'o nyamburko mage mane okethore chieng' Jumapil e kaunti ma Murang'a. Jotelo nyiso IPOA ni nyamburko go ne okethi gi obila mane rakore kodgi bang' kane gichwado nyamburko no gi magina. Jakom duol mar IPOA Isaac Hassan oseo tulo manowuok no mowacho ni ok ber kinde makoro oganda jo Kenya ikore ne yiero maduong' mabiro.
They shot around 6 times when we were lying down, the two of us, and they told us to shout totem. And unless we shout totem, they are going to kill us. And they pointed the guns at us, myself and my driver. So basically we had to say totem so that we can be saved.
If there was any crime that had been committed, then we are members of parliament and we are leaders in this country. We can be invited to any police station anytime and we'll go and record statements. But this kind of violence, Honorable Chair, if IPOA does not reign on these rogue police officers, then we don't have a country.
We are entering that critical stage, Honorable Chair. You have been in IEBC. What Kriegler talked about 2 years to the election. We are entering that period. In another 2 weeks, we'll be entering that period. So any situation that would allow pre-election violence would be a threat to our democracy.
As a former chair of IBC, I think I don't like where it's going. It's going to get bad, and I think we need to have even you guys as the political leaders, perhaps you need to find a way of engaging with your counterparts, if you can.